today is harder than ever. They're spread across different platforms, different trends, and different formats: TikTok, and Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Manually searching and downloading videos one by one just doesn't scale. That's why smart marketers use MKT Viral. MKT Viral allows you to scan and download videos in bulk from multiple platforms, all in one place. You can download videos from TikTok and DOUY, and you can collect content from Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. No switching tools, no repeated work. Just choose how you want to scan. Search by keyword in your niche. Scan trending videos by hashtag, or collect all videos from a specific user account. Simply paste the keyword, hashtag, or profile link. MKT Viral automatically scans and downloads the videos for you. Hundreds of videos can be collected in minutes. Original quality, clean files, ready to use. This is perfect for short video marketing. Perfect for Reels, Shorts, and viral content strategies. Instead of wasting hours searching, you build a massive content library fast. Save time, scale faster. Turn viral trends into real traffic assets. All of this is available inside MKT Viral, powered by MKT Software Global.